Hello everyone. In this video, we'll go through a step-by-step process using Tableau to create a hierarchy. Let's get started. Suppose, if you are working in a sales workbook, and you want to see how sales are ranked within each region by salesperson. To support this analysis, create a hierarchy that includes region and salesperson, and drill down into the hierarchy to compare rankings for each. Step 1. Open the starter file in Tableau. Step 2. Create a hierarchy. In the data pane, drag the salesperson field onto the region field. This opens a dialog box. Step 3. Name the hierarchy as salesperson by region. In the Create Hierarchy dialog box, next to Name, change region, salesperson to salesperson by region. Click OK. Step 4. Expand the hierarchy. Drag salesperson by region to rows. Click the plus symbol to drill down. This can be performed on the shelf or in the view. Finally, sort sales in descending order. In the view, hover over the sales axis heading. And now, click the descending sort icon. You've created a hierarchy that allows you to see how sales are ranked and to compare salesperson by region. Feel free to explore further and create insightful visualizations with your updated data. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Happy analyzing!